Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Ha bakren ha yeng dorbar thau an ke jilla ka balalong menta ka sngi u MLA ka Ramrai constituency u ba Kimfa Sydney Marbanyang ulaong baka kam ka bayadai bat ka Metor amtip hadu mentaru shanu kalapoi bad ulaong bala thau ya ka komiti nadu bna jelleu arajar khatphra henrei hadu mentaru ampat yo ya ka kaipon ulaong bakat balong dorbar kinong mi khmat ki jukeli ka sarkar kalale kumno ya ka mat ka bayadai bat ka Metor henrei man balong ka dorbar ka jubab bakiyo na ka sarkar ka long bala jan sila jan bat ka laong penban thik komba ap ban mi ka Phlim ka ba internet henrei kidang pen iswa ya ka jingpun skun lani ka trailer bat habakut kata ka trailer mi penban da ka Jingthoh coming soon uloong bahado mentaru ki pajba kidang yai up ya ka report bat ki dabru da ka jing bitar balano lanoru ka sarkar kampat la satya ban penmi ya ka kaipon Shushu ulaong ru baladat ban shim da karai hapo ka yeng dorbar ban penrung yi ka ketin khasi bat garo haga kernit ka bapra jong ka riti sinshar kari India henrei hado mentaru ulaong baam dan jingtip kumno kalong nalor kata ulaong bakatrat state pollution board kalapan mi ya ka jing penbena bagi karkhana kok ki bayang Hashalang West Khasi Hills district bagi dai ban khangno henrei amtip balai bahado mentaru kidang trai kamsa Uba Kimfa ulapan ken mauru bagi pajba ka maulai kila dawana ka sarkar badai ban suspend ni ki he pulit namar ka jingjia ha maulai hanrai ka sarkar kamle ulakan turu ye ka sarkar bagadai ban sngap ye ka jingdawa jong ki pajba lim kumta ki pajba kinam shania shu ye ka sarkar.
So on this very August House we have passed a resolution on the 27 November 2018 for inclusion of Khasi and Garo language under the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India. But till date, sir, we don't know what has happened to the resolution passed by this August House. The second, sir, is the Metor issue, which the situation when volatile, which has forced the government to impose curfew and restriction in mobile data. Subsequently, a committee was notified on the 4th June 2018. I don't know what has happened to the committee, the high-level committee. Whenever we have a session, every time we have question, what has happened to the report? Every time we see that answer is, it's coming very soon. It's like waiting for a blockbuster movie and the trailer over and it's coming soon. So these things should we take care so that we'll get the proper report. The people are waiting for these type of reports. They are angry, Mr. Speaker, sir. Another is the illegal coke factory, sir, in Shalang, West Khasi Hills. Even after the State Pollution Board has issued a closure notice to these illegal coke factories, till now they are functioning. I don't know what is the district administration doing or the government is doing. And third, and last, sir, we all have received a petition from Kisor Jongkinong Mulai demanding the suspension of the police officers. We should not turn a blind eye on the demand of the people. We should look so that the people will gain confidence on whichever government they are in. So with these few submissions, I resume my seat.
Thank you.